Hi everyone, welcome to Spice Life. Today we are making tawa chicken roll, but today we are focusing only on the tawa chicken part of it. The paratha I'll make in a different video in future. So let's see how we can make tawa chicken roll. So here are the ingredients that you need to make tawa chicken. Chicken I have taken around 3 pound boneless chicken. Make sure you use boneless chicken to make tawa chicken. And I'll take 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon store-bought garam masala powder, inch of turmeric powder, and I'm using around half teaspoon red chili powder. It's up to you how much spice level you want. You can decrease or increase the amount of red chili powder. I have taken 2 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger, and I crushed it together. Around 2 tablespoons of yogurt, plain yogurt, and I'm adding some food color in it. This is optional. If you don't prefer to add any food color, you can skip this part. This is half teaspoon or maybe quarter teaspoon, not even half. And cooking oil, I'll add around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in the chicken. Salt as per the taste. This much is salt, good for me. And I have taken half lemon. I'll squeeze it now. And now I'll marinate this chicken. After marination, I'll keep this chicken at least 15 to 20 minutes. Longer is better, but if you don't have that much time, 15-20 minutes will do. So this is how it looks after 15 minutes of marination. And since it is tawa chicken, I'm using this cast iron pan to give authentic flavor. But if you don't have any such pan, you can use non-stick as well. So I put the little bit oil to grease the pan and put the high heat. Now gradually I'll add the chicken in it. So let it be cooked on high heat for at least 2 minutes for each side, and then I'll flip this pieces after 2 minutes. So it's been cooking for at least 2 minutes, and now let's see how it looks. Here you go. And if you think your chicken pieces are getting stuck on the bottom of the pan, then you can add some oil to avoid that. Okay. So yes, now you can see how they look. So make sure you cook them thoroughly. To get that look, I would suggest to keep one side for 2 minutes, but that 2 minutes is not always enough. Then add more time to get the chicken cooked. So you can see the chicken are getting stick a bit, so I'll add a little bit more oil in it and cook thoroughly. So I have cooked them thoroughly, and now they look like that. See the look? And it is done. Now we will make the chicken roll. So here are the things that we need to make tawa chicken roll. Paratha, and this is the chicken just we made. And these are the toppings as per my choice: cucumber, onion, little green chili, and lemon, salt and pepper. And if you think your chicken pieces are a little big for the roll, then you can cut it in the small pieces as I'm doing now. Here is the chicken roll.